Google's free AI tool, how people are making $35K/month. Imagine making $35,000 a month using nothing more than your laptop and a free AI tool from Google. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's quickly becoming a reality for people all over the world. In today's video, we're going to dive into how Google's newest AI tool is changing the game for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and online business owners, allowing them to automate tasks, create content faster than ever, and generate massive income. If you're ready to learn how to take advantage of this revolutionary tool, stick around. 1. The power of AI, why Google's new tool is a game changer. Artificial intelligence is not just the future, it's already here, changing how we work and make money. Google's new AI tool is one of the latest innovations empowering everyday people to boost productivity, automate processes, and scale businesses faster than ever. Whether you're in e-commerce, content creation, affiliate marketing, or even offering freelance services, this tool can streamline your work. Imagine automating tasks that would normally take hours, or even days, and freeing up your time to focus on higher value projects. What is Google's free AI tool? This AI tool, recently launched by Google, is designed to assist users with a variety of tasks, including content generation, data analysis, project management, and even customer service. It leverages Google's cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to help you accomplish more with less effort. Who can benefit? Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your side hustle, this tool is for anyone looking to boost their income potential. The best part? It's entirely free. Freelancers, digital marketers, small business owners, and even students are tapping into this technology to automate their work and create more income streams. 2. How people are making $35K/month, real-world success stories. Now, let's talk numbers. It's one thing to say that this AI tool can make you money, but it's another to see how people are actually doing it. Here are some real-life success stories. Example 1, content creators and YouTubers. Content creators are leveraging the AI to generate ideas, create scripts, and even edit their videos. This has allowed them to pump out more high-quality content at a faster rate, which in turn drives more views, more engagement, and ultimately more income. One YouTuber, for example, used the tool to automate her entire content creation process. Within 6 months, she scaled her channel and saw her monthly revenue skyrocket to $35,000. Example 2, e-commerce and dropshipping. For e-commerce store owners, this AI tool has been a game changer. From product descriptions to customer service, the tool automates time-consuming tasks, allowing owners to focus on scaling. One entrepreneur we spoke with used the AI to write engaging product descriptions and automate marketing emails, doubling his sales in just a few months. Example 3, freelancers and agencies. Freelancers and digital agencies are using this AI to deliver projects faster while keeping overhead costs low. By automating repetitive tasks like research and content drafting, they've increased their client loads and significantly boosted their earnings. 3. Step-by-step guide, how you can start using Google's AI tool today. So, how can you get started? Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1, sign up and access the tool. First, head over to Google's AI platform and sign up for free. The tool is incredibly user-friendly, and you can access it directly from your browser. Step 2, explore its features. The AI tool comes packed with features designed to help you with everything from content generation to analytics. Spend some time exploring its capabilities and see where it can add value to your business or side hustle. Step 3, automate your workflow. Once you're familiar with the tool, start integrating it into your workflow. If you're a content creator, use it to generate article drafts or video scripts. If you're in e-commerce, use it to automate product listings or customer responses. Step 4, scale your earnings. As you get more comfortable using the AI, you'll find ways to streamline even more of your daily tasks. This will free up your time to focus on scaling your business and increasing your earnings. 4. Top tips for maximizing your income potential. While Google's AI tool can help you achieve incredible results, there are some strategies you can use to maximize your income potential. Tip 1. Focus on high-demand niches. Targeting niches that are in high demand can significantly increase your earnings. Whether it's a particular type of content creation, niche products in e-commerce, or specialized freelance services, focusing on what's trending can make all the difference. Tip 2. Automate repetitive tasks. Use the AI tool to handle tasks that usually eat up a lot of your time. By automating things like content research, data entry, or customer service, you'll have more bandwidth to focus on scaling your business. Tip 3. Create multiple income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use the AI to explore different business models, from affiliate marketing to digital products, and create multiple streams of income to maximize your earnings. Tip 4. Keep learning and adapting. AI is evolving rapidly, and the tools available today are just the beginning. Stay on top of new updates and continue learning how to use AI to your advantage. The more you adapt, the more you can grow. Google's AI tool is not just a passing trend, it's a revolution that's helping people around the world make more money while working smarter, not harder. If you're ready to unlock its full potential and start earning up to $35,000 a month, the time to act is now. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Online Academy, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tools, strategies, and tips to grow your online business. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use AI to boost your income, and we'll see you in the next video.